Top 3 AI tools that can save you hours in 2026. Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you there are free AI tools that can save you 5 to 10 hours every single week? Most people are still doing everything manually, but smart people, they're using AI to do the work faster. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that can literally change how you work, study, and even make money. Hey guys, welcome back. If you want to save time, work smarter, and stay ahead in 2026, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last tool is something most people don't even know about. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. If you're still writing everything yourself, you're wasting time. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Step 2. Type what you need. For example, write a YouTube script. Give me video ideas. Write captions for Instagram. Step 3. Edit the result a little, and you're done. You can use this for schoolwork, content creation, freelancing. This one tool can replace hours of thinking and writing. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. Most people think designing is hard, but not anymore. Step 1. Go to Canva. Step 2. Click on Magic Design. Step 3. Type what you want. For example, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post. Step 4. Choose a design and edit if needed. That's it. You don't need any design skills. You can create thumbnails, posts, logos, everything in minutes. Tool number 3 is CapCut AI. Editing videos used to take hours. Now it takes minutes. Step 1. Upload your video. Step 2. Use auto captions. Step 3. Add effects and transitions. Bonus: use AI features like auto subtitles, background removal, text-to-speech. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Even beginners can create professional videos easily. So these were 3 AI tools that can save you hours every week. If you're not using these, you're already behind. Start using them today and work smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment AI if you want more videos like this.